Okay, so here it is. I just installed the Stebel horn, or Stebel, however you say it. Stebel Nautilus, 150 decibels. You heard the old horn. Mounted in the same location with the factory bracket. I wire tied all the wires up to the harness that runs in there. And it hooked up to the battery. It's got a fused positive lead, and all the rest of the stuff I tucked into the void and zip tied all together down there. And once the seat goes back on, you'll never know. Let's hear it. Big difference. Now with the engine running. Now I just need to put the bike back together and we're good to go. So installation was simple with that bracket. With the plug and play harness. Took me about half an hour, and most of that was just running the wiring. The actual installation and hookup probably only took 10 minutes. Much better with that plug and play harness than wiring everything yourself. And only is $12. It's worth it. Alright.